Hi, John Hargett, General Manager for Crossroads Ford of Kernersville with our biggest year-end sales event ever. For a very limited time, take $10,000 off on new 2012 Super Duty Diesel Lariats, or take $11,000 off new 2011 F-150 Super Crew XLTs with your trade. Or buy any new 2011 Ranger Super Cab and take $7,000 off with your trade. Merry Christmas from your friends at Crossroads Ford of Kernersville.